Learn the essentials of successful biopharma outsourcing with Outsourcing Fundamentals. This exclusive e-learning course is based on over 100 expert interviews with leading voices in outsourcing. These best practices have been distilled into 10 engaging modules. Over a 4-hour online training course, we give you a comprehensive overview of the outsourcing landscape. Learn how to find the right outsourcing partner and negotiate a win-win contract. Learn best practices in tech transfers and quality oversight, and how to effectively manage a virtual plant model and build strong relationships with partners. We share advice on planning timelines, network strategy, and how to make an impact on your company's sustainability footprint. The course includes interviews and case studies with experts sharing real-world experiences. Every module includes a short quiz to test your knowledge, and we've included downloadable templates to help you with RFQs, contracts, and quality oversight. So whether you're new to external manufacturing or want a refresher, there's something here for you. To find out more, head to pharmasource.global/fundamentals.